Hello everybody and welcome to another YouTube video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a website with Python. Now the goal of this video is going to be to give you a finished product that you can tweak and turn into whatever website you'd like. So I want to show you all of the fundamental and important things you need to know about web development with the module that we're going to use. So that way you can kind of take this starter or template website and turn it into whatever you want. So specifically, we're going to cover how you sign up users, so how you create new users account, how you store those in a database, how you log into those user accounts, how you log out of them, and then how you associate information with a specific user. So the example application that we're going to build here is just a very simple notes app. So we're going to have it so you create an account, and then once you're signed in, you're able to add notes or make new notes. You can then delete those notes, and obviously you can sign out. You can log back in on whatever computer you want, and you can have access to those notes. Now, this is really simple. This isn't super exciting, but the point is to give you the knowledge to be able to make something that is more exciting, right? So this is just very fundamental. Most apps that you make are going to use like 90% of the code that we're going to write here. So it's a really great starter project. It's going to teach you a lot about web development. And again, that's kind of the goal here. Now, keep in mind that we're not really going to be focusing on front end too much. I have styled this slightly using something called Bootstrap, just so that it does look somewhat decent. But this is not a front end tutorial at all. You don't need to know JavaScript for this. You don't even really need to know HTML. Although I will go over a little bit of HTML, and kind of the only prerequisite is you have some fundamental knowledge of Python, because that's what we're going to be using for the back end of the website. So anyways, let me give you a quick demo of what we're going to be building here, and then we'll actually jump into the code. So I have my website running. You can see that we can sign up for a new account or we can log in. So let's actually just make a new account. I'm going to say tim3@gmail.com is my email. My name is Tim. Let me set up a password and a password. Awesome. So I'm going to submit that. I've created an account. It says my account was created successfully. I'm brought to this page that says notes, and I can add a new note. So I'm going to say, hey, there you go. That's my note. I'm going to say, second note, exclamation point, add my note. Now I can delete a note, and notice that it gets deleted. The other one is still there. So now I can log out. If I try to go back to the /home page, it's not going to let me because I'm not signed in. But now if I sign in, so tim3@gmail.com, and I type in my password, we come back and we can see our notes. Now, of course, if we create another account, or in fact, I think I have another account, let's say tim@gmail.com. Oops. You should see that we have different notes showing up here. Okay, I don't have any notes for this account, but you can see that there is no notes here, so it's showing differently. But yeah, that's the basic idea.